Hello dressmakers, welcome again on the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to choose your fabric as a beginner. If you are new to sewing and you would like to know the right fabric to work with when you want to start sewing, this is the right channel for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the sewing family. Now, there are diverse kinds of fabric in the market, ranging from silk to velvet, cotton, spandex, and so on. But your choice of fabric as a beginner will determine how easy your sewing experience will be at first. Take a look at this fabric that I'm holding. Look at it from the lengthwise grain and the crosswise grain. Alright, now we are going to check for stability. You can see that on the bias grain, this fabric is still a bit stable. On the lengthwise grain, this fabric is stable, which means it doesn't stretch. And this is the kind of fabric you have to choose. The next fabric right here is a silk fabric. On this bias grain, this fabric is much more stretchy than the first one. But on the lengthwise grain and the crosswise grain, it is really stable. You can see that this is really unstable on the bias grain. As a beginner, you should avoid fabrics like this for now until you get a good hold on a good understanding of how to work with fabrics. This is a cashmere fabric. You can see that on the lengthwise and on the crosswise grain, it's stable. But on this grain, it's still a little bit unstable, but it's something that you can work with, okay? So when you are choosing a fabric, you should choose a fabric like this, which is more like a cotton based fabric. And this one is actually African print. So if you have this in your area, in your region, you can go for this or go for any other cotton fabric. All right, those are usually stable and really nice for you to work with as a beginner. You can see that this is a silk and this is also a silk, but the degree of instability is different. Okay, you can see that this stretches a bit. On the bias grain, it stretches a bit, but it doesn't stretch as much as this one. All right, can you see it? So fabrics like this that are very unstable, you should avoid them for now until you have a good understanding of how to work with fabrics and have in-depth knowledge of how to manipulate fabrics. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, when you are choosing your next fabric as a beginner, go for cotton fabrics. Alright, until I see you next time, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.